Hello guys, hello WXTL user on YouTube. So I'm gonna show you my trying to give a GPU Passthrough for Optimus laptops. So for this I followed this video on YouTube where this user uh, make some demonstration to how to use the KVM and QEMU virtualization and passing the GPU, the dedicated GPU to the VM using Windows. So it was exactly what I trying to do here in my on my laptop. So for example, I'm using this laptop, this Acer Aspire 5 model AN515, etc. Here in this description. I did upgrade on the memory, and I put 24 gigabytes of memory RAM. So I installed here Manjaro, in this version, Sycaris 2204, and I followed all these steps here detailed here on this video. So I make clone this repository. Oh, let me open again. I'm trying to follow this tutorial. I have installed Optimus Manager, as you can see here on my toolbar, so I can switch to integrated and Nvidia or via command line. For example, clear, so Optimus Manager, etc. I can switch my graphics card here between my command line. So after this, I followed this guide to understand more about the Optimus Manager. More, I did this step to make a group configuration, as we can see here on our group file. Is cat etc default group. So here we can see the information. So I AMD IOMU on, and I added this plus configuration that I get from another video. So following these steps and using group configurations, libvirt, etc., I can't install the drivers on my Windows. Yeah, I did this step too. I will show you here on my QEMU desktop. So let me back to the beginning. Yeah, here, I'm sorry, to more clear for you guys. Yeah, here is my virtual machine manager, and I open here my Windows 10, and here on the information I can see the overview using firmware OVMF code as described on the video. I used the 4 CPUs, passed through the host CPU configuration, using 8 gigabytes of memory to this VM, this configuration, okay, same, network card, display spice, and here is my dedicated GPU, my Nvidia 1650 Ti Mobile, yeah, and here the other device for audio. So I added this both devices using this path and add the hardware, and choosing PCI host device, and going to this option, and there's another option. Okay, after these steps, I added some information here in this XML that I give on another videos, such as this vendor tag and this KVM hidden tag and this another tag called IOAP IC driver KVM. So this is what I did here on my laptop. My laptop has two GPUs, one integrated with the CPU because my CPU is a Ryzen 7 for me 4000 series. So yeah, that's it, my configurations. Okay, so if I go into the Windows, this is the Windows installed. I installed here the TechPower GPU IZ to see what GPU is running here on this VM. And as you can see, software can detect that the specific GPU is an Nvidia, but the driver name is Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. And here we cannot see the memory size and the other features for this interface, if I can name it in this way. So yeah, if I trying to install the driver here, downloads, this is the driver, Nvidia. Yeah, you discompact the files here, and let me wait a while. Okay, loading driver installation. Nvidia driver is trying to check in the system compatibility, but in this step I give an error. This is a fresh installation of Windows 10, and I got the ISO from Microsoft website, selecting there the portability for my OS type is a 64 bits operation system. Well, another point, I also installed here I turn on the Hyper-V. Oops. Yeah, this is the error from Nvidia graphics card driver installation, and I already installed the Hyper-V. I don't know why, what is related to the GPU, but okay. I put here and I downloaded the drivers for my GPU, and I can't install the drives. This is my problem, and I would like to hear that you guys have the same problem. If you could help me in this problem, this error, because I wanted it's my main intention here to use my both GPU GPU graphics card, because one GPU I would like it to provision into virtual machine, and for the Linux operation system I only use it to the integrated GPU. So that's it. Thank you for the watching, and please let me know in the comments if you need more information. Thank you. Bye.